The following message is transmitted by the police. There was a loud explosion heard from New York, and somehow it turned out the explosion turned out to be a portal, and three looking female creatures that look similar to the villains from My Little Pony Rainbow Rocks. They are known as Adagio, Aria, and Sonata. Also, they seem that if they see a group of people, the creatures somehow sing with their voices and it hypnotizes their victims and work for them like slaves. For your safety, lock all doors, cover your ears, and stay tuned for more instructions.